dust in your eye?
The dirt's coming this way.
The dirt. It's dirty.
Look, Richard, it's about to be on top of us.
Whoa, that's what she said.
Look, it's moving.
I know, Jeannie, it's wind.
What is that, dirt or what?
Yeah, it's dirt.
From what?
From the dust around people's houses and shit. Stuff, I mean. Pardon my French.
Dirt.
The dirt.
Wanna go swimming?
Let's go swimming. Yeah? Here I come. More rain. Dude, that looks so scary. Come and look at it right here, Frank. Stand on this thing. You can see it good. It looks crazy. Those are big old drops. I know, you can't even see the mountain. Look how high that sucker is. It's like way up there. Nah, I think it's gonna go around us. That looks so crazy. Oh shit, it's coming! It's right there, it's like right down the street. Look, see it?
Dang, for real. Twister.
It's a twister, it's a twister. I don't see any dirt.
Oh, it's already cooked.
Ah, it's got in my
Okay,
eye.
let's go inside. My
I
eye.
can taste it. Tastes like Frank.
There you go. Oh, wet?
Oh, my eye. Yep.
Do you get your phone wet?
No, I didn't get
Too bad these damn blinds don't open.
I know, ghetto ass. West Side. You can't see? You okay? Here, let me see. Ready? Open your eyes. Open. There. You okay? Wait, baby, I'm recording. Wear a jacket? Boy, this ain't jacket weather. Oh, look at this ghetto-ness.
Kevin's Christian.
It's your girlfriend, Christian. Not your Christian girlfriend.
Hey, tell me my friend. What? You didn't say C. I know I did. Alright.
Let's go planking.
What? I can't go planking.
Dude, did you guys see the video of that dude that was planking on the bridge and his friend threw him up and fell in the water?
No people.
You should see it. Hold it, baby. Here. Ready? Hold it. There you go. Look, it's raining. You hear it?
What are you gonna come out there?
Here, hold it like that. Hold it like
Alright,
that.
if he walks out in the wind, it'll pick him up.
Wow. Cool, huh? Here, like that, okay? Don't hold that, don't hold that. Here, hold it, okay? There. Look, it's raining.
It was worse than that.
Move your hand. Okay, that's it. That's enough.
Look at Princess.
Princess is right here, dude. Put the chair right there. Or something.
Push it down in his face.